begin. Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome yet again to a brand new video. Rocket John here. Hopefully you're having a wonderful night or day wherever you're watching from, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Today we have a good video for you guys. Hopefully it's a very chill. You can see the sunset right there. It's a very cool hot summer night. It's 28.5 degrees. It's 9 p.m. and we're about to do one of the most beautiful roads here where I live. Not all the way through, but yes, it should be a fun drive. It's a lot of it's one of those snake curves, snake roads, low visibility, and it should be low traffic tonight. So yeah, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna speed a lot because I just ate, and I don't want you guys to see my dinner. But yeah, hopefully we can have a nice drive. Yeah, as you can see, like, this is the road. It starts right here. Give it a little bit of a pull right now. Let's begin. Woo! You can see, like, this road is like this. A lot of low visibility corners. You can go fast. You're pretty much alone in the road, and it's just gonna be fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And if you do enjoy it, please leave a like and a comment. And yeah, let me know what you like to see. Yeah, hopefully tonight is the night that we don't crash. We never crashed. Yeah, hopefully we don't crash tonight. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I got some news as well. I got a new mic. Not using it right now because I tried shooting a video with it, and you can just hear my voice, and it's a little bit boring. You know, the fun part is hearing the car, hearing the environment, and yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out something. Let me know if you guys would just like to hear my voice or in the car as well. Yeah, hopefully you've been liking the past few videos. I've seen some videos getting up to 700 views, which is amazing. Thank you very much, guys. And we're already at 6 subs at the time of the recording. So yeah, that's great, guys. Thank you very much. And I just like to say, like, as the channel grows, that's what I say. I'll make better videos. I'll invest more time and money into this channel, and yeah, hopefully we can have some fun with cars, and we can have bigger and better productions. Just now it's just me and my phone and my Scirocco, but maybe later I can add a few cars to the fleet, and nice camera equipment, nice audio equipment, and just have some fun. I also want to buy parts and upgrade my parts to my car, which I cannot afford to do right now. But yeah, guys, today was a chill day, chill night. I just came here to the beach. It's a river beach with my friend who lives nearby. It was extremely hot. It was like almost 40 degrees Celsius. This guy has a TV. He has a phone. You can sit behind this guy and watch TV. Yeah. Chill day with my friend. We just went to the beach. It was like 6 o'clock in the afternoon. It was almost 40 degrees outside Celsius, and it was amazing. It was just a chill night. We had some dinner, and now we're just heading home here at dusk. You can even still maybe see a little bit of the sun setting. Not right now. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the context here. Yeah, we just had a nice dinner, nice steak dinner, and now I'm just heading back. And yeah, I decided to film this video because this road is really cool. It's one of the most beautiful roads in Portugal. Not this part, even though this part is pretty beautiful. You guys are not seeing it. and I can see the river. You have always view to the river, and it's almost incredibly fun if you're driving. If you're in the passenger seat, it can be a little bit nauseating, all this turning. But yeah, it's a really fun road to drive in. That's why I decided to shoot. And then once we leave this road, we are going to a road that is also really cool, just to, you know, get some speed on. It's like a regular road, but you can drive it at highway speeds. Yeah, a few stories in this road as well. Like when I drove my shitbox, I almost crashed. I almost drove off the road. It was near these parts. Yeah, I almost drove off the road because, you know, it was a shitbox. The brakes were bad. I wasn't going very fast, but the car was so unstable and the brakes were so bad that I almost went just straight ahead in the corner. And yeah, I was pretty lucky. Yeah, also with an Audi A5, I also had some fun in these roads with my friends. Like, that's actually a funny story. We came here to visit my friend that lives here, and my mom lent me her car to come here, and I just gave me and my friends. I didn't have my driver's license that long, and yeah, it was an Audi A5 diesel as well, and that car was fast, but I never drove it so like really fast. And then we just visited my friend, we had some fun, and then when we were headed back, my friend was like, oh, is this car fast? What can this car do? Like, and he asked me, oh, what's this S on the shifting gear, the shifting stick, the shifter, yeah. And I was like, I don't know, I don't know if this car sounds good. I don't know anything. Let's give it a shot. I just put it into sport mode, and I just started like hauling ass to these corners. I was making corners like this at like 120 kilometers an hour. Like, it was insane. That car was so stable. And it was just so funny to see the reaction of my friend. My friend was like in the passenger seat, just pressing the imaginary brake so hard. He was like, oh, you're gonna kill us, and I was like, oh, chill, I got this. Yeah, it was actually pretty fun. Should have recorded it, but it was so long ago. Yeah, I didn't even know how to record shit. And my phone was crap as well. Yeah, a lot of fun on this road. This car just flies. Like, I was just noticing, like, recently, like, I rarely just floor it to the bottom. I just usually go like 10%, maybe 50% if I want to go fast. I never actually give 100% throttle. Like, if I give 100% throttle, and I just don't need it to my regular daily driving. But yeah, that's something that I noticed recently. This thing is just fast, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Yeah, also another story here, like this. Oh shit. Red lights. No, there's no light here. Yeah, this was really cool to do with your friends as well, especially if you have walkie-talkies. Like me and my friend also did this road. He has a Seat Leon FR, and it was really fun. Like, it was just doing this road, and this road is one of those roads that you know, there are a lot of parts that you can't overpass people because you don't have enough visibility, and people drive really slow here sometimes, like 30 kilometers an hour, and you're just stuck behind them. And my friend was like in front of me, and you know, overpassed the person, and then I couldn't overpass because I had low visibility, and he was just like, call me. I would just pick up. Oh, okay, you can overpass them now. Just go, and I was just overpass them blind, just trusting his word. And it was actually a fun night. It was a shame we didn't have walkie-talkies. But yeah, it's really cool to do your friends. You see it like this. This one is not going so slow as 50 kilometers, but usually you pretty frequently catch people here, especially on the weekends, 30 kilometers an hour. really like we're not near the ocean. We're just on the inside part of the country a little bit, and towards the inside of the country. Just go now. Like this shit just flies sometimes, especially like in third gear. Just feel the power, like just feel the power. I gotta take these moments to overpass because they're pretty rare here. Look at that sky. Like this view is like just gorgeous. I love this this area. It's just so chill. It's so silent. I was just with my friend. I just love this. This is my favorite time of day here, where everything is silent. You just hear the little bit of the crickets. Look at Scirocco. You just hear the crickets, and just silence. It's just it's beautiful. You just hear the sound. It's just so peaceful. It's so peaceful to live here. I actually would love to live here, even though it's really far from the city. I love to live here. I don't know. It kind of feels like my front tires are a little bit like slippery as well. Like I'm not sure if they're like slipping, but they seem like very slippery. I don't know why. Just the steering wheel feels so light when I push it. They're not spinning. Away from the potholes. Let's just floor these roundabout. Let's go. An air intake here will just be perfect. Hit the apex ride. Let's go. Don't you guys just love being in the road and just driving like an F1 driver just for no apparent reason? Like just hitting the apex of the turn like perfectly. I don't know, it just feels really, really nice. The other day I was just driving and there was this other guy, and his car was like a regular car, wasn't even that sporty or fast, but he was just doing the apex along with me, and it was actually kind of fun. Hey guys, Rocket John here. So unfortunately this video is turning way longer than I expected, so I'm going to divide this into two roads. Now as you can see, we're finishing up on the first road, and we're now turning into the second road of the video. So if you want to check out the second road, which is also way fun, the guy behind me literally. So please check my next video to see me just shred this road. Bye guys.